Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with two winners, and the first one is for this Kawaii Crush cute creations that I created for Sandis Decorate Your Life Kawaii Crush Digital, and I did say I was going to give these away, and I did have do a random picker, you guys, and this is a clip. There you go, just a clip that goes on here, and there you go. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. Of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing this cute digital, I will link it down on the description below under my affiliate link. Of course, you guys know that I do earn a small commission at no additional extra cost to you guys if you guys are interested. Again, let me go ahead and show you who won this right here, and that was Robin Nest of Crafts. I love this Kawaii Crush paper. Kawaii Crush was what the comment was supposed to be, and I love the album you made with it. Cute tags as well. Thanks for sharing. Hugs, Robin. So email me. I will have my email way down on my description below on my description link. So please email me with your address, and that's one winner right there. Okay, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys the next one. I did add a few extra ones. So this one is for the Hibiscus Love, and you guys, look at how cute. Anyways, I did add on a little bit more extra ones right here. Okay, and you guys saw this one. I don't remember I showed you guys this one. This one I had made, but I forgot to add it on here. I just made this one because I saw an extra one, and there you go. And you guys, let me go ahead and show you who the winner is for this digital. And of course, I will also link the affiliate link down on the description below for this one. And let me go ahead and show you. And I did this right here. And Carmen Chorus. Oh my goodness, Kathy, your projects are amazing. The paper design is beautiful, and I love the way you place the clusters of fuzzy cut pieces on the projects. Way to go. I do love your rosettes. Project Share Hibiscus. Oh my gosh, so that was one of oh my gosh, so the day I did the video for all these right here, you guys, I was so sick, and I think I kept on saying put hibiscus love, put hibiscus, or I was so out of it. So thank you, Carmen. Do email me so I could get your address and send this off your way. And everybody, thank you so much for coming over, checking my channel out, checking my projects. I appreciate each one and every one of you guys. So I do appreciate you guys, and thank you again for all your support, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.